here we have JELLYBEAN the Love Machine and a 1942 Remington Envoy from March of 1942. Hi, kitty. It's a darn fine typewriter with remarkably little cat hair. So I take good care of my machines. These guys are very often overlooked by a lot of collectors and a lot of users, which is a shame because they're extremely sleek, compact, and surprisingly adept typers. I really enjoy using these guys. Write a lot of letters and a lot of poetry on them. I got two of them. This one types in Elite, my other one types in Pica. And I've gone through them both pretty extensively and gotten them working pretty darn well. They're real clean. This one is in pretty swank shape. Have the original feet on here. I think it's mostly original rubber on there, actually. Yeah. That's right, I changed those out on my other one. This one still has the original feed rollers. I say original. Can't be original. They've still got spring left on them. You know. But, they're not brand new. They still grip really well, though. And to prove it... Hi, kitty. To prove it, Remington Envoy, serial number 1197269 from March of 1942. With a pretty cool keyboard. Get her paper in there. Feeds through nice and straight. First shot. Grips well. Paper release works well. Paper fingers work nicely as well. Do have single space and double space on here. Full margins. Which I have set a little wide right now. There we go. The quick round box jumps over the lazy dog. Nice crisp text. And you may notice the sound too. These machines have a very distinctive tone to them. Not just the sound of the keys striking the platen, but the sound of the machine itself, because you can hear a lot of the mechanical noise in there that it's just different. Mostly due to the ratcheting mechanism that's down inside there for the type bars. You can see those little gears there. This makes for a different feel and a different sound. It's very direct and but not going to get that sort of connection on a Hermes or something. Serial number's right in there next to your ribbon selector, because you have both the red and the blue and the stencil setting. Beware the stencil setting. One of the pitfalls on these portable, Remington portable with a capital P design, you know, because they're all very, very similar. One of the pitfalls is the ribbon transport. You know, the automatic reverse on them is notorious for not really working real well. I've got this one sussed out pretty darn nicely, though. So observe the direction. So we're feeding off this one, and that ribbon is almost out. Alright. That's about to the point. So back it up just a hair. And I'll check it out. As we wind this out a little bit, you'll see this go in and these will switch direction. So we're feeding off that one. That's starting to go in. And and we've switched directions. Now we're feeding off this one and winding on that one. Getting that smooth of an operation on that ain't easy. But luckily, I've got a mountain of Remingtons, so I've gotten somewhat decent at it, I guess. There you go. 1942 Remington Envoy. Quite a beauty. That's Kitty's piece of paper. Kitty. 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 Get it, Kitty. Get it. Kitty. Oh my God, Kitty. Yeah.